History hides dark secrets. Some empires rose to greatness, but left behind blood and pain. This video is for educational and historical purposes only. It does not promote or glorify violence. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. 500 BC, the Sumerians built the first cities and offered humans as gifts to their gods. 100 BC, in Egypt, slaves were buried alive beside their pharaohs. To serve them in death, 600 BC, the Indus Valley people purified their dead before burial, fearing unclean spirits. 4 BC. In Babylon, even a small crime could end in a public execution, for all to see. 800 BC. The Assyrians ruled by fear, skinning prisoners alive to warn others. $100 BC. The Minoans sacrificed humans to stop earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. 100 BC. The Hittites captured enemies and used them for cruel rituals and tests. 600 BC. In ancient China, the Shang buried servants alive in royal tombs to follow their masters forever. 100 BC. In Sparta, weak babies were left to die in the name of strength. BC. The Carthaginians burned children, believing it would please their gods. 100 BC. In Greece, slavery was normal, and unwanted babies were abandoned on hillsides. To BC. The Persian Empire punished rebellion with impalement or crucifixion. 7 BC. Rome entertained itself with death. Humans fought beasts for the crowd's pleasure. MP. In the Qin dynasty, scholars who questioned the emperor were buried alive. 7 BC. The Maya believed human blood fed the gods and kept the rain falling. 5 AD. The Aztecs sacrificed thousands at once, their temples stained red with blood. D. In the Inca Empire, even children were offered to the mountains as gifts to the gods. 8. Vikings tortured enemies with the blood eagle, carving ribs open as a symbol of honor. Tech 80. The Byzantine Empire blinded rivals, believing death was too merciful. 2 AD. In the Khmer Empire, thousands died building temples under brutal rule. 368 AD. The Ming dynasty executed anyone accused of treason, even without proof. 206 AD. The Mongols destroyed entire cities, leaving no one alive. But the French Empire expanded with war and slavery, costing millions of lives. 2 AD. The Spanish Empire's conquest brought gold, but also death to native worlds. 3 AD. British Empire ruled half the world, yet millions starved under its power. 3 AD. Under Nazi rule, genocide became law. 1922 AD. In the Soviet Union, millions vanished under forced labor and purges. Empires rise and empires fall, but the suffering they caused still echoes through time. If you learned something dark but true today, hit that subscribe button and join us for more hidden history.